Y'all look at my man.
I ain't go to the right spot.
Y'all look at my man. He fine as hell. Y'all.
That's the day.
That's Mr. Newman right there.
I'm Mr. Newman, but tomorrow I'm be Mr. I'm be Mr. Trash.
Don't listen to him, y'all. He's not gonna be Mr. Trash, I swear.
Man, I'm gonna be ain't shit tomorrow. Y'all ain't what? Fuck that.
Somebody trash and somebody trash.
And I want this and I want this uncut version too, cause I'm gonna post it on
somebody's trash and somebody's treasure. You might be my trash and my treasure. Who knows?
Look at these stupid motherfuckers over here. Look, stupid ass.
Y'all, we are going to Texas Roadhouse.
No, we're not. We're going to the weed spot right now. Shut up.
Oh, well. Put your business out in the street. But yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
But yes, we are going
I smoke weed. I got my additional car. I smoke weed.
We're going to the weed spot, y'all. We're going to Food for Thought over here. I don't know. We ain't going to tell y'all the location. Listen, I'm going to tell y'all.
No, you shouldn't even tell them that. Well, fuck it. They need promo.
They might.
They do. See, this is authentic shit. People want to watch shit like this every day.
Yeah.
That's why I told you to send
y'all.
Come on.
We gonna make a couples channel called Eminem.
No, we not.
Yes, we is. Fuck him. I don't care what he talking about. We making a couples channel. She gonna make one and
she gonna just share my content on y'all.
Nah, we doing a couples channel. Now hold my hand, motherfucker.
Hey, don't get your Cadillac converter head ass back.
Shut the fuck up. We making a couples channel.
Oh shit! I'm gonna get my weed. Shut up.
We making a couples channel. Look at him. Look at my baby. Sexy ass. He's treating me. Yay. I got off work and it was a whole surprise, so I feel good. And we've been sipping on some
we gotta get another
Luna Zool.
Man, that's that cheap shit.
It don't matter. That's what we sipping on. What you saying?
That's that bullshit.
Sipping on. But yeah, we going to Texas Roadhouse, y'all. I had got off and he pretty much hit me up and he was just like, babe, get dressed. I'm taking you out. Get dressed. I'm like, what? I mean, okay. Don't y'all like a man to take assertive? Okay, yes. I got dressed, okay? Just want to come in, get the vlog going, y'all, because I haven't did shit in this vlog this week. I ain't even gonna lie. Your girl I had recovered from coming from the hospital. So yeah, so this is really just like the first time I'm really just getting out since then, y'all. So excuse the hell out of me. Food for thought, y'all. See, that's what we get. We recording, we vlogging, bitch. Y'all, we is debating on if we going into this place to eat.
It's quiet in the motherfucker.
It's quiet. Nigga, we came out that bitch like,
man, we going to Hooters, guys. We going to Pluckers.
Nigga, yeah. I think we gonna go to like some type of sports bar or something. I don't know. Buffalo Wild Wings, some shit like that. Come on, baby.
You had too many bad reviews anyways, and I got the best review for you because I done been here 3 times.
I ain't never been there, but I ain't gonna lie.
I was just taking my baby.
Y'all, it's dead as fucking there though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it's expensive too.
And I just feel like I know y'all. But we gonna go somewhere else only because it was my choice though. It was my choice though.
It was just because I was gonna stay here.
Cause he really wanted me to come. But I was my choice because the vibe wasn't good. I feel like it was just not right.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was gonna stay here because I'm hungry. But they ain't had no games on the TV, so I said fuck it. That's why I say no, not because no money fight. Even if the money was this shit high, I don't even like it. I cook my own day. I cook 5 steaks for the price of 1 steak.
I ain't gonna lie, my baby tastes good as well. Y'all, it's raining like a motherfucker, but we at Buffalo Wild Wings. Fuck it.
Vert that head ass back.
Boy, if you don't shut your motherfucking water heater head ass up, nigga.
Ain't hell no. Get your Boston Celtics.
Boy. Boy, if you don't get your motherfucking porcupine looking ass.
Man, get your sesame seed looking ass back.
Nigga, shut your motherfucking... I'm a motherfucking San Antonio Bucky's looking hat on motherfucking ass. Goddamn San Antonio, Texas, Wembley. What's his name? No, it's not Wembley. It's Wada. What's his name?
It's a Wada.
Looking
Get your
ass.
stupid ass back. Clockhead ass.
You did pay me, sir. You're wonderful. You're amazing.
Just for the record, Sean owes us money. That's good.
White people on credit?
Roadhouse.
I'm not better. Looking like a goddamn bulldog. Boy, shut your old looking like a motherfucking big ass Barney. I love you, you love me. Look at that motherfucker.
You better get your ass back. Cadillac converted. You want the nacho? You want the nacho?
You can do it.
She busy vlogging but not ordering. But anyway,
What? It's okay.
can we get the not? Can I get the?
We can get the
I'm gonna do the Homer Simpson. Can I get the nacho?
All right, y'all. So, I just want to show y'all some stuff that I had got today delivered or whatever from Amazon. I am forever ordering from Amazon. Like, oh my God, always ordering. But anyway, I had got these cute little things. I actually thought they was gonna be bigger, but I had got these cute like notebooks or whatever, and I thought they were pretty cute. They're actually really small though, but I can still make use of it, so I'm not tripping. But yeah, I got these. I got 3 of them. I'll probably use those for like writing down notes and stuff for like my business and just like YouTube video ideas and just brainstorming, stuff like that. You know, I love to be organized, so notebooks are very beneficial to me. I also got these lashes off of Amazon. I don't know if y'all can see them, but it's like 3 different styles. 3 different style of lashes, y'all. And I don't know. I needed some more lashes, so I just ordered them. I thought that they were cute. Hopefully they look good because I have no idea how they look. So we gonna see. But yeah, this is what I got. And then I also got this set right here. It's a dip powder liquid kit or whatever, because I am gonna start back doing my own nails or whatever. So got that or whatever. I do have a maintenance vlog coming up soon, so had to get that because I am gonna do my nails and my maintenance vlog. So yeah, but just stay tuned for those videos. But I just want to show y'all what I got from Amazon because I'm forever ordering. And I actually have something else coming too. I got a wig coming from Amazon too, so I'll be doing another wig install as well. But for now, you know, that's what it is. And then later on, I have another date with my man. He's taking me on another date. We are going to a Rockets game. Today they play the Charlotte Hornets, so we will be going to that game later on, which is around 7 o'clock. So yeah, that's pretty much what today will be consisted of. So we about to be headed to the game, y'all. As stated earlier, we headed to the game with the Hornets and the Rockets. It's going down. I'm super excited. This time it should be good. We shouldn't have no issues this time at this game. Okay? But yeah, I'm having a good time so far. I'm here waiting on my baby to come out so we could go ahead and head out. This nigga that went and got a haircut and shit, he up here looking all fine, sexy, and expeditious, dalliocious and shit. Looking all fucking good and delicious. Fuck. God damn, I ain't gonna lie. Like, he be looking good even when he don't have a haircut and shit. But when he get his haircut, it's over with. He made me want to eat him up right now. I can't even lie. Fuck.
Well, Peace Hurt open still.
Your feet right now, come on. I see a bad bunny in the building. Let's go.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day and I'm gonna go ahead and just end the vlog, you feel me? But I just want to come in and just I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's vlog or whatever. I definitely enjoyed recording it. I am getting so used to doing this vlogging thing all over again, y'all, so just bear with your girl. But I will have a lot more interesting things coming, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog. If y'all did, make sure that y'all like this video and also comment down below any other things that you guys would want to see from me. And yeah, I guess until the next one, peace and love.